Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I wanted to do a video that I actually did before, but my video quality is a little bit better now, and also before I wasn't using my voice. So I wanted to share this with my hearing and my deaf friends. I'm going to be using my Modern Renaissance palette. So this look is so easy. It's even easier than the last look that I did. I'm going to show you the three colors that I'm using first. Golden ochre. That's raw sienna. Antique bronze. I'm going to start with my fluffy brush that I love. This is from a Lamora set that I bought on Amazon. Yeah, I'm going in with that first color, golden ochre. So now I'm going to use the brush that comes in the palette. I'm using raw sienna. Just a little bit lower than the first color. So if you have hooded eyes, something that helps me is I open my eye kind of like wide. Just open your eye and you can see where the color is. So you can see the yellow is like here, and then the kind of orangey raw sienna is right there. So if you go too low, then you won't be able to see it. So that's just a tip to help you. You can open your eye and see if you need to go higher with your eyeshadow. Understand? Okay. My last color will be the antique bronze. It's just like a kind of a satin shade, so not too shiny. You can use a matte, but for smoky eye, I wouldn't go too shiny. That's just my preference. I'm just gonna put that bronze shade all over my lid. So I'm going to go underneath my eye with the golden ochre and with the raw sienna. So I'm just gonna finish my other eye and then I'll be right back. This is the look that I came up with. So it's kind of smoky, kind of bronze color. I really like it because it's simple when you want like a really fast smoky eye. I want to thank you so much for watching my video. If you have any questions or comments, please let me know. Any comments down below, and like and subscribe for more beauty videos in Sign. Thanks for watching. Bye.